Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Ethan again from Axle Advanced, and today I just wanted to go over some of your medical organization options that we do carry. First and foremost, our big seller right now is our MOI, or Medical Organizer Insert. As you can see here, it's a very versatile insert that allows you to be able to configure all the components of your medical kit all in one place, however you see fit. As you can open it up, this spine right here creates a channel to allow you to put things such as a needle D in here, a Sharpie, whatever you carry with you that could go there. So that's one of our options. The next option right here is by VXV Concepts, and it is their just basic med insert. This is my personal one. I carry this with me every day. It's really simple to configure and open up, stow away. I keep this in a backpack mainly. You can take this, throw it in a cargo pocket, throw it in your range bag, throw it on your gun belt. You know, if you have an existing insert or a chassis on the back of your belt, you can preload this, toss it in there, you're ready to go shoot. When you get done, pull it out, stick it in your bag. Now it's with you in your car. It's another great option for this. Just to kind of give you a size comparison, right here with our MOI, we have a 6x9 Faro GP pouch, Faro Concepts GP pouch on our fanny style subloader adapter. So like I said, this is 6x9, fits right in there just fine. Plenty of space, you can throw some other stuff in there. So this is a pretty compact design right here. It's a Spiritus CCS pouch. Pushes right in there like so. Super easy to get in and get out. And then again, if you run any kind of med chassis on your belt, the VXV Concepts, which we do carry, fits this perfectly, as well as some of our some other manufacturers out there. You'll just kind of have to guesstimate and see what works for you. I know like pouches such as the Eagle Industries med pouch, I know a lot of dudes run that. This fits great inside there. So that's just another great option for you to store and organize your medical equipment. All right, so right out of the package with the medical organizer insert, you're gonna get a piece of red bump cord. This allows you to be able to put some handles on there, like on this one. You can make it ambidextrous, whatever your personal preference is. This is for you to use for whatever configuration you may see fit. It also comes with 6 pieces of 16-inch 1/8 diameter shock cord, and this also gives you the ability to configure your shock cord however you need to for your medical stuff, and then as well as the actual insert itself. As you can see, ton of real estate for you to configure things to fit your needs. And then moving on to the VXV medical insert right here out of the bag, very similar to the MOI. This one already kind of has the bump cord preloaded on there, but as you can see, like in the other one, it will have that included for you to be able to configure your pull loops. The VXV medical insert comes with 4 10-inch pieces that are 1/8 inch in diameter of shock cord, as well as these 2 pieces of 1-wrap. These are great for your smaller items that can be fit right in here in these 2 pass-through slots on the bottom. As you can see, like, just to give you an idea right here, we have a bottle of Dermabond and some application tips that fits perfectly right in there. So a lot of your other smaller items and stuff are perfect for that 1-wrap slot. You can secure those in there as well. That way they don't fall out whenever you rip this thing open. And those of you that are in need of additional medical equipment, supplies, or IFAKs themselves, we also carry the Axle Emergency Medical Kit Advanced Resupply. You can get more details about this on our website, as well as our smaller basic Axle EMK. Both of these are by North American Rescue, and like I said earlier, if you are looking for just individual components, refillable items, we also carry all of those individually as well on our website. Once again, all by North American Rescue. If you have any questions or comments about compatibility or fitment, or want to share some of your ideas for your medical configuration, what works for you, go ahead and drop those down in the comments. And thanks again, guys. Appreciate it.